Next, we'll crochet a Christmas hat. Magic ring. Make a circle on your finger. Crochet down, bring the thread out. Hook a CH chain stitch. Then hook a 6SC on the first loop. After the 6SC hooks, tighten the coil. VSSSL straight with the first SC of the stitch ship stitch. The second loop starts by hooking ACH. Enter the needle at the ship stitch. The pattern of the second loop is ASC. An ink increase. An ink is 2SC in one stitch. 1, 2. The second circle is ASC and ink for a group. That's 3 sets of hooks. After 3 sets, ship stitch with the first stitch. Then hook the third loop. Hook ACH. The third loop of the pattern is ASC. An ink. Another SC. SC ink SCSA set. Repeat for a total of 3 groups. After 3 ticks, ship stitch with the first stitch. Fourth loop. Hook ACH. The pattern for the fourth loop is 3SC. Three SC and 1 ink. Repeat for a total of 3 groups. Okay, CH. Fifth loop. The pattern for the fifth lap is 2SC 1 ink 2SC as a group. Repeat for a total of 3 groups. After 3 ticks, ship stitch with the first stitch. Hook a CH, then hook the 6th through 9th stitches, or 18 SC. 1 SC on each needle. A color change is needed on the 18th SC of the 9th loop, so the SC hooks in half. Then switch to white thread. And the first ship stitch. Hook ACH. Next, hook the 10th circle. The pattern for the 10th loop is to start with 8 SC. And then 1 ink. Eight SC, 1 ink for group. Repeat for 2 groups. After 2 ticks, ship stitch with the first stitch. Hook ACH. Next, hook the 11th through 15th loops, or 20 SC. Fifteenth loop, 20 SC. Ship stitch with the first stitch after hooking. Then break the thread. Hide the thread with a needle. Break the thread. Fold the brim over.